Now even your hair cannot lie, you know. In Singapore, last time people scared of urine test, then blood test. Now hair can also be checked lah. Bro, your hair is no longer just for shampoo. It's now your witness. So CNB has showcased a new hair scanner that can reportedly detect signs of drugs consumption in less than 1 minute. Technology nowadays are really next level, you know. You dye your hair, you style your hair here and there, you do back comb or what comb lah. But if you are taking drugs, your own hair might tell on you. Now imagine this, one fine day, CNB plant an undercover officer at your regular barber shop or salon. You walk in confidently, hey boss, how are you? Good morning. Same haircut, the barber takes out one machine, you look at it and think, wow, new hair cutting machine. Bro, that's not hair cutting machine, it's a hair scanner. The barber smile and say, sir, just 1 minute, okay, we cut this side first, we fade this side first lah. You still happy sitting there thinking you're about to get a fresh fade. The next thing you know, he come up with a scanner and the scanner knows more about you than your barber. Then bro, where you wanna run? One side your hair already cut, the other still long. Run outside looking like before and after advertisement already, you know. So jokes aside, technology keeps moving forward. If you are spending your life thinking, how do I avoid getting caught? You are asking the wrong question already. So ask yourself, why am I taking drugs in the first place? Because every year the law enforcement gets smarter and smarter. Technology gets better. But drugs, they still destroy life. They destroy families. They destroy future. So don't take drugs. No stress, no hiding, no sleepless nights, no looking over your shoulder, because at the end of the day, you can lie to your friends, you can lie to your family, but now even your hair might not lie for you. So what are your thoughts and what are your comments? Drop it over the comment box. I see you in the next video. Ciao!